Tired of uneven sprays and wasted chemicals in your garden? In today's video, we're diving into the best hose end sprayers that make lawn care easy and efficient. Our channel brings you quality reviews every day to help you choose the right products for your home and garden. Don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Number 1. Ortho Dial End Spray Hose End Sprayer. The Ortho Dial End Spray Hose End Sprayer is a convenient and efficient tool for spraying liquid concentrates, such as weed killers, insect killers, fungicides, and fertilizers. With its easy-to-use design, this sprayer eliminates the hassle of mixing and measuring to prevent making a mess. This garden hose end sprayer offers just 3 spray patterns, but covers most application bases. By twisting the ring at the front of the sprayer, we could select either a broadcast spray pattern, a strong jet stream, or a shower pattern for delicate foliage. Each worked well, but we discovered that our pattern selection had to be precise. You have to feel a little click when twisting the ring to ensure you get the pattern you want. If the ring fails to click into place, water dribbles profusely. This durable ortho sprayer offers 14 dilution settings, from 1 teaspoon to 8 ounces per gallon of water. Simply use the adjustable dial on the sprayer's side to customize solution strength to match application instructions on the fertilizer's packaging. Number 2. Chapin G390 32-ounce Lawn and Garden Hose End Sprayer. Tend to your lawn and garden without spending a lot of money. We found the affordable Chapin G390 Lawn and Garden Sprayer a durable and reliable option for various spraying needs in our yard. It has a 32-ounce chemical-resistant poly tank and a universal fitting to attach easily to any standard garden hose. One of the notable features of this sprayer is its capability to handle water-soluble chemicals. With this sprayer, we could add granulated fertilizer to the tank and apply it uniformly to our lawn. It also accepts liquid fertilizer and features a measurement guide on the side of the tank for accurate dilution. Like many hose end sprayers we tested, the Chapin G390 has a built-in anti-siphon feature that ensures backflow prevention to keep from contaminating the water in the hose. While the Chapin G390 performed well in our testing, it has a couple of minor downsides worth mentioning. Number 3. Miracle-Gro Liquid Concentrate Garden Feeder. From a name well known in the gardening world comes the Miracle-Gro Garden Feeder, which features trigger lock technology to allow for easy one-handed feedings. Similar in design to our best overripe pick, the Miracle-Gro sprayer has 3 spray patterns: broadcast, shower, and jet. All 3 functioned well in our tests. Using the Miracle-Gro Garden Feeder is a simple 3-step process. First, add Miracle-Gro water-soluble plant food to the tank. Next, connect the feeder to the hose. There are posits. In testing, the locking mechanism on the top of the garden feeder was somewhat challenging to operate. It tended to stick and required too much force to engage with just a thumb, which diminished its ease of use. Furthermore, we noticed that the sprayer tended to leak unless we tightened the hose fitting securely. This led us to suspect that the inside washer might not be of the highest quality. Number 4. Miracle-Gro Performance Organics Garden Feeder. The Miracle-Gro Performance Organics Garden Feeder offers functionality and a design that's similar to the preceding product on our list, the Miracle-Gro Garden Feeder. With trigger technology for one-handed feedings, this sprayer provides convenience and efficiency. It also includes 3 spray patterns: broadcast, shower, and jet, which all performed well during testing. However, we encountered a familiar challenge with the lock lever on the top of the garden feeder. It proved to be difficult to maneuver, requiring considerable force to operate. The lack of ease of use, especially with the need for extra pressure, was a notable drawback. Using the Miracle-Gro Performance Organics Garden Feeder is a straightforward 3-step process. Fill the tank with fertilizer. The first fertilizer feeding is included. Connect the sprayer to the hose, turn on the water, and start spraying. Number 5. Twinkle Star 5-Nozzle Pressure Washer Foam Lance. We found the Twinkle Star 5-Nozzle Washer to be a great addition to our pressure washer accessories, It comes with 5 different spray tips, allowing us to choose from various jet patterns, including 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap dispense. This versatility suits multiple applications, particularly when washing cars, farm equipment, and similar items. The build quality is impressive. It features a brass neck, and the spray gun has a brass core covered with non-slip padding. It needs all that brass to withstand the high water pressure of a power washer. A knob on the top gave us precise control over the water flow and foam thickness to customize the foam according to our specific needs. We were able to achieve a thick, rich foam that effectively lifted dirt and grime from the car and the tractor we cleaned with the Twinkle Star. 1. Using the Twinkle Star pressure washer was a straightforward process. We added concentrated liquid automobile cleaning solution to the tank, then connected the 1/4-inch quick-fitting connector to our pressure washer hose.